Hey guys, out here in the shop, I thought I'd do a EDC video. Why not, right? Now let me start off with saying that not everything out here goes with me every day. This is some of the stuff, most of the stuff does. Lots of stuff is just a variation of what I would carry. First things first. Cold Steel Voyager Vaquero. Did a video on that. Key ring there. That goes in the right pocket of my jeans every day. If it's not that one got a little dull. I went up to the Spartan. And then even for a while there, I was down to Spyderco Native 3. Zip tie mod there, I got the Voyager sharpened up. Went back to it. And multi-tool with a lanyard here. This was completely for something different. I left it on there just cause. This goes in the that little pocket right at the top there, right above the right hand pocket. Coin pocket, condom pocket, I don't know what it is, but this fits in there so nicely in that pocket there for me, and I use it all the time, mainly for that little blade there. Half serrated, does work. Back pocket. Good old 4-inch Ti-Lite. This thing has not left me for a year. Anytime I got jeans on, this thing is in the back pocket, ready to go. Reverse grip, drawn out. Guess it would be like this. Right, coming in, grab it, and drawn out. Boom. Reverse grip, just like that. Ready to go. That's the back pocket there. You can see my pocket clip's getting a little loose, gonna have to tighten that up, but say that has not left my pocket. A while ago, I got a Cold Steel Secret Edge. I really loved it. Wore it as a neck knife for the longest time. Again, this didn't leave my neck forever. My buddy did a paracord wrap on there just for giggles one night. I put some inner strands on there again just for giggles. That didn't leave me until I went up to this guy just a little while ago. Beaver Tail mini tack. I love it. I really want the mini tack Tonto, but local knife store doesn't got it. So pick this up. Again, if I got my jeans, I usually have this clipped onto me. Now what is this? This is what I call as my mini toolkit. I've got the Leatherman Style CS on there, which came with the Leatherman Freestyle as a bundle. Now, the Leatherman Freestyle CS here has a carabiner with a bottle opener, nail file, screwdriver bit, a smaller blade there, chisel ground. Again, does work, but it's usually clipped on, so I usually stay away from it. Just because of that, I got other blades for other reasons. Tweezers. I've used those a couple times. And, of course, the main tool here is the scissors. Again, bought it more because it had scissors, and like I say, I've used these a few times too. They're great. Fold that back up. Back on the split ring there. I saw these at 7-Eleven, actually. Little tiny bottles of hand sanitizer. They got this little loop on there. Go to the dollar store, refill it for numerous times for $1. You just get dollar store rubbing hand sanitizer, cheap. Little roll of tape there. I've had that for 2 years now, just on some paracord. Don't really use it much, but it's there. Again, electrical tape. And I did have foil tape on there. Didn't really work so well. Cut it off. Been meaning to put duct tape on there. Little Cobra braid when I first started getting the paracord. Threw that on the keys just for extras. And of course, one of these clips here, that's what holds it all together on the belt loop. Now, I recently just picked up another pocket flashlight. I had a Phoenix, a little tiny fella, but crapped out on me. And I've had this Klarus, is what it is, Professional P1A, it says. And, I mean, it's getting a little low now. I've had it for about maybe just before Halloween, and it's about halfway through November now. It runs on double A's. I wasn't gonna be getting anything that ran on CR123A's. I don't really need the brightness level for that. It's, you know, I can get everything I need out of a double A, and again, or a double A flashlight. Again, dollar store batteries. They're so cheap, so disposable. Why not, right? Paracord bracelets. I wore these a long time. You can see they're kind of molded to where they used to be. This one's with the buckle. I got a button toggle on this one. Where I work, I can't wear them, and that's the only reason they're not on me. Other than that, they're on me 24/7. But like I say, haven't been on me for a while now because of where I work. So there's those. Now, back to the Ti-Lite. Everybody loves them, so do I, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of it. Now, this is an old pair of jeans I got here. And that is the pocket that I kept them in. And after months and months and months and months and months and some more months of carrying this, maybe up to a year, maybe a year and a half, I wore my Ti-Lite on that pocket. And that's what it did to it, eventually. I ended up blowing the crotch out of these jeans, so I don't wear these jeans anymore. But even there's front left side pocket wear. I used to carry my Persistence until I got this phone, which I'm recording on, is an iPhone 4S. I used to carry Persistence constantly. I love that. It's a good little blade too. Got it not bad price. Again, a video on that. Here's the right side pocket clip wear. Now that's everything. That's from Spartan. That's from mainly the Voyager. You know, there's that little condom pocket I was talking about there. A few little goodies in here, actually. Oh, nothing. That's the pocket I keep this Leatherman in, right here. Fits, like, again, so nice. Like I say, fits in there so nice on my other pair of jeans I've been wearing. Even in these ones. Boom, right there, all the time. You know, it's just how it goes. Say, blew the crotch out of these a while ago. Don't wear them anymore. But brought them out, just to say, just to show the wear there. Say, even on there. Mainly on the back there, though, for the Ti-Lite. Eventually, it wore down, and I got no jean left. I got no pocket left, actually. Here is the current pair of jeans that I'm wearing now. Since these other ones blew out in the summer, and you can already see I've got, sorry guys, pocket wear on this pocket here from the Ti-Lite. That's that. And well, you know what? While I got these here, say there's pocket wear there already a little bit. This toolkit, as I call it, clips onto. There's the front. That's the loop that I go on to, right there. That's where that hangs, all day long. I mean, yeah, it kind of clacks around a little bit when you're walking, but I've gotten used to it. It doesn't bother me. And I mean, it's just how it is. C'est la vie, right? How life goes. It's life. Anyhow. That's pretty much it. That's been my everyday carry, or some variation thereof, for a long time. Mainly just adding on to it, building up, making it better, just, you know, whatever catches my eye, it's going on there. That's it. Like I say, nothing else more to say. I'm going to be trying to get my collection all together here in one big pile and go over that, but that's a whole other separate video. Today it was just purely EDC, and that's what I want to show you guys, and I feel like I've accomplished that. So, with that, take it easy, and, you know, always be prepared, you know, things like that. I've got nothing else to say. I'm out of here, guys. Take it easy.